Imagine installing the next major Windows update months before everyone else. Yes, Windows 11 26H2 is already available, but only for people inside Microsoft Insider program. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get Windows 11 26H2 right now, how to join Windows Insider Dev channel, important warning before install it, and who should absolutely not install this update. Because trust me, this update's not for everyone. So, let's get started. Before installing anything early, you need to understand what you're actually installing. Windows 11 26H2 is the next major feature update expected to release publicly in late 2026. But right now Microsoft's testing it with insider builds. That means new experimental features, UI improvements, performance testing, AI integration improvements, and system changes that may still contain bugs. So what you are installing today is not the final version. It's basically a testing build of Windows. Before I show you the process, so let's talk about who should actually install this. You should install Windows 11 26H2 early if you are a tech enthusiast, a developer, a YouTube tech reviewer, or someone who loves testing new features. But if this is your main work computer, think twice before installing it. Because dev builds can include random bugs, driver issues, app crashes, performance issues. So I strongly recommend waiting for the public release if this is your main computer. Dev builds are the most unstable insider builds. So before installing Windows 11 26H2, please do the things first. Number 1. Backup your files. Use OneDrive, external hard drive, or any cloud storage, because insider builds can sometimes cause unexpected problems. Number 2. Make sure you have enough storage. You should have at least 30 to 40 gigabytes free space. Number 3. Update all drivers first. This helps prevent compatible issues after upgrading. And the most important thing is you should have a supported computer and CK boot and TPM 2.0 enabled in your BIOS. These are the basic things you need to follow. Now let's start the actual process. First, you open the settings and go to Windows Update. After that, click on Windows Insider program. Now click on Get Started. Now here Microsoft will ask you to link your account. Click on Link an Account, and here you need to log in with your Microsoft account. If you're not signed in like me, you need to sign in using Microsoft account, and then select your account and click on Continue. Now after signing in, you will see different insider channels. This includes Canary channel, Dev channel, Beta channel, and Release Preview channel. For Windows 11 26H2 early builds, you need to select Dev channel. The Dev channel receives some new experimental features first, but remember, it also receives more bugs. Once selected, click on Continue. Now in the stage, this is a warning you can read, and then click on Continue. And also the part 3 of the warning, click on Continue. And now, after selecting the Dev channel, reading all the terms and conditions, so Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart your computer now. This activates the insider build settings. Now after restarting, go back to the settings, Windows Update, and here you just turn on get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Yeah. And then just check, go to Insider Program, and it's showing we're under Dev channel. Then click on Open Windows Settings, Update. Now click on Check for Update, and Windows will start downloading the latest Windows Insider Dev build channel, which includes Windows 11 26H2 features. And that's the build number 26300.7939. That's the build. The download size can be several gigabytes, so be patient. Now, after installation, click on Restart your PC. Your PC will boot into the latest Dev Insider build of Windows 11 26H2. After restart, if you click on WinBar, check WinBar, you can see still is there Windows 11 25H2, or you may find 24H2. But here is the catch. You need to go to Settings and then go to Windows Updates and scroll go to update history, and go to uninstall updates. And here you can see enablement package for Windows 11 26 H2 Insider Refresh is installed already. If you want, you can uninstall it. And that's it. It's genuinely Windows 11 26 H2 and never having the features of 26 H2. Though it's showing 25 H2, but you are still enjoying the features of 26 H2. Don't need to worry about it. One very important thing you should know. Once you join the dev channel, it's very difficult to get back to stable Windows. In many cases, the only way to return to the stable version is by doing a clean installation of Windows. So please make sure you understand this before joining the dev channel. So that's how you can install Windows 11 26 H2 by using dev channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.